I'm Barbara.
Hi, I'm Ishmael.
And we are both Google local guides. Today we decided to take a trip to the Dodowa waterfalls. And we'd like you to join us on our journey.
GhanaMotion.com. Money fall on you.
So we finally arrived at Dodowa, but to get to the forest, apparently we have to use an Okada to take us there. What you say? Godwin, now, Obebuaya, Maya,
Follow you. Cause I'm in love with you. Yeah, are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby, are you done talking? Yeah. Are you done talking? Tell me, baby.
So finally, we've arrived at the Dodowa waterfall. It's actually called the Kinku waterfall. So, Ishmael, could you show us around?
Okay, so the waterfalls is somewhere behind where the guy is coming from. As you can see beneath here, that's the water going down there. I think there should be some stream down somewhere. So we will get a bit closer to the waterfall.
Oh, my Nintendo.
Well, I thought there was much to this place, but then there's not much here, but then I think the scenery is amazing. It's a good place, like when you're baby, now and so that and so that. So you guys will enjoy the scenery.
You because sorry, oh baby, take out. Sorry, oh baby, take out. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you, oh baby. Nothing of it to change, amo. Nothing of it to change, amo. If I talk, then go say I dey talk. Yeah. Tell me why then they use Panadol for our headache. Yeah. How I go chop if my baby no chop?
So I made it.
Yeah, you haven't made it. You haven't finished yet. There's still more to go.
I don't wanna be a player no more. Yeah, I don't wanna be a player no more.
Says she took up the challenge. She wants to climb this, and let's see how best she goes. So let's go.
Lord, my guys call me Cristiano, Mr. Ronaldo. Oh, money.
Hi, so it's finally over. So we are getting back to Accra. It was a nice experience. We met some kids who were bathing in the water. The city was nice. Afterwards, we sat down and we had some good talk. And actually, we didn't gotten an idea from this. So just watch out for us and thanks for being our audience. Until we go on our next travel trip. So this is on our way back. We use the same thing when we're coming. So just watch us and enjoy us.
Yeah,
we enjoy our motor ride.
With you, baby, nothing of it to change, amo. Nothing of it to change, amo. Money fall on you.
So yeah, we've gotten to the bridge where you have to get off your bike and then you cross it by foot and then oh god, okay.
Money fall on you. Banana fall on you. Paparazzi fall.
So hi, it's me again. So on our way back to Dodowa, we realized that there's this gorgeous memorial hall. I mean, this helmet because I've been riding a motor, so together with our awesome tour guide who has really been helpful.
Yeah.
So we are going to ask if you could enter so that you could see around, but if not,
We
we'll
go
just
back
have
to
leave like
Accra.
that. Yeah.
Fire, fire, fire.
And I'll be the head office overall, and head of party, National House, Kumasi.
Oh, okay.
Oh, National House of Chiefs.
And I had no time.
Let me put this one.
There's nothing for no Mushia.
Yeah.
There was in the assay, there was down. You know the idea about like at the time, I from what to say, they are more like they said judges.
Yeah.
And I yet a time now, me shower. I but we know, and yes, and almost but married.
Face, hide my face, make another man picking on my race. I love you, no means.
If you want to come and spend some time in Dodowa, you have the opportunity to come and lodge here at the forest hotel. Let's see if we are allowed to enter to have a sneak peek.
Say if you say make I put one leg for fire, 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 burn them. There's no other one above. Dance, make a dance. Give me love, make a love. There's no other one above.
Yeah, there's a monkey in there. Oh, hey. Hello, big guy. Hello, big guy.
Hi. Look at this one.
Oh, hello, big guy.
Hi.
Hola, hola, Mr. Olopa. I'm not here to cause wahala.
Godwin has been an awesome tour guide. So anytime you come to Dodowa, we'll leave his number, so you just give him a call and he'll show you amazing places in Dodowa.
So then, Godwin, bye-bye. See you some other time. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.
Hide my face, make another man picking on my race. I love you, no mean say. If you say make I put one up for